uncle. This place is very hot. Come and quench.
Go to the fridge and we have ice block. Look on here. Have to kill me.
Oh my country people, this is the most hilarious video you will watch online this week. This man can never change. Which one be go to the freezer if that place is hot? Hey God. I can't wait for this movie to come out because it's gonna be a bomb. When I know say for my page, now update to the tutorial, everybody now they share. This video, this movie will make a lot of sense. Lizzy good and Nkem aka Osufia. Hey God. Make I play the video, make una watch. Don't skip any part.
Me? Go back to that bedroom with you. It is not me. Are you a horse? Want to kill me?
But I've not gotten to the mountain yet now.
Relax, rest. And allow me to rest before you begin to climb the mountain. You didn't tell me you're a mountain climber.
But I don't understand when you say rest. We have barely even started when you run out of the bedroom. Let's go back, please. I'm not tired though.
But I'm tired. Give me it up. Look, I'm no longer a small boy. I'm an elderly man. You have to move me gently, gently, so that, don't push me too much. Can't you tell me to come back again?
Only 1 minute and you're already complaining, dikeh.
I just your own time. That 1 minute I just your own time. You can make it to 2 minutes, but you have to rest.
Pico, let's go. On the woman. This place is very hot. Come and quench.
Go to the fridge and we have ice block. Look on here. Have to kill me.
See, I will die if we don't go and do this thing. Though. Come and finish what you started though. This place is very hot.
So
please.
You want to kill me?
I want it.
You don't want to die. It's me you want to kill.
Let's go up. Let's go upstairs. Yes.
Neck.
Yes.
My life is in your hand though.
Let's go.
Neck.
Baby girl, you know tell our uncle say you be horse, so this was Sophia no go my person. We are the horses in this building. If you are a girl where they ride, not say na horse you be. This movie I can't wait for it to come out. I beg now when you don't watch, I say it's with you. I beg click the link on my bio, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I beg, take anything, they take anything, just click that link, go to my bio, click that link, it will take you straight up to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe, support the girl child. I beg, support the army boy healthcare. They easy to they bring this come the table kwano. If you easy make you run now, they easy. I beg. Okay guys, see you guys on my next episode. It's still your one and only amiibo girl Cindy. Any other Cindy na counterfeit, cause I had the rainbow. We know day 2 na only one baba for the game now we get. Please share my video, share to your friends, share to your enemy, share to anybody around you. The larger the family, the more fun it is here. Do well to like, comment. I beg. Stay safe out there. Bye.